written by Brian Miller and is a biography of the life of William Kamkwamba. William Kamkwamba was a small child who was born in Manawi. He was always interested in studying. He had a dog named Kamba. A few years later, normal living. A tragedy struck his family. He lost both his uncle and his dog to a severe drought. Because of this, he started focusing more on studies. He made a little but himself from scratch with the help of a few books. This made him get global attraction and famous all over the world. He was even invited into the TED conference, which is a prestigious conference held every year. TED stands for Technology, Entertainment and Design. Overall, this book is not too sad or not too happy. I would encourage all of you to read this if you are interested in self-motivation.